In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana's new AI features. Whether you're managing a team, organizing a project, or keeping track of tasks, Asana has made doing all of that a lot simpler with their innovative AI tools. Let's dive into how you can use these features to optimize your workflow. To kick things off, head over to Asana's website. If you don't have it bookmarked yet, this is a good time to do so for easy access in the future. On the main page, you'll need to enter your email address. Remember, this should be the one associated with your Asana account to ensure you can log in successfully. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on Continue. Next, you'll need to enter your password. We all know keeping your account secure is crucial, so ensure you're not using any easily guessable passwords, and consider using a password manager. After you've entered your password, click on Login and you should find yourself on your Asana homepage. Now, with access to your homepage, this is where the fun really begins. Look for the Create button, which will allow you to start a new project. In the drop-down menu that appears, click on Project. At this point, you can either select a template provided by Asana, which is great for getting started quickly, or choose to go with a blank project for more customization. Once you've made a choice, it's time to name your project. Choose a name that reflects the project's scope and purpose so you and your team members can easily identify it. Now here's where Asana's AI takes center stage. You'll see an option to set up with Asana AI. Click that and let the AI assist in setting up your project with optimized resources and suggestions. Next, click on Generate Preview to review what the AI has drafted. It's insightful to see how AI interprets your project needs, and you can still make adjustments if required. Once satisfied, hit Create Project, and your project will be live, ready for you and your team to dive in. With your project set up, Asana AI powers up your productivity. It helps plan your tasks, suggesting subtasks that might be beneficial to your project. It doesn't stop there. The AI can also propose forms and rules that streamline task management. Engage its smart chat feature to assist in crafting responses and comments, perfect for maintaining communication effortlessly. And if you need to draft updates, Asana AI's got that covered too. By the end of this guide, you should be well on your way to mastering Asana's AI features, elevating the efficiency and effectiveness of your project management efforts. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this deep dive into Asana's AI tools to be useful. Remember to like and subscribe for more insights into how technology can enhance your daily tasks.